All right, second attempt to look to try to fit this Reef 555 in here. Okay. And this piece right here where it comes and then cuts in, that is the problem child in this situation. So I'm going to get my Dremel and Dremel this little bad boy out. And Dremeled out that little piece right there. Make that almost flat line. Allows, also pretty cool, this is adjustable. So you can put whatever servo you want in there, but now holes line up in the back and in the front, and it sits flush. Pretty pumped to get this better servo off in there, although it is a little bit taller than your standard. Tiny bit taller. Okay, so make sure that whenever you do go to replace your servo, I had to position mine as far as the sub trim right 39 clicks to get my steering correctly. So make sure you go back to zero that out before you install a new one. That way your ESC and servo and everything goes in like it should. So right now I've only got the Hobby Wing 1080 ESC for the brushed Tekin setup motor on 6 volts going to the Reef servo. Seems to work pretty well. I'll tune it up or turn it up if I need to, but I think this is good for scale. It doesn't move too fast and I just crawl slow. I don't try to bash it or anything, so no need for high speed.